Is your button hover effect not working in CSS? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a simple fix to create a smooth button hover animation using HTML and CSS. We start with the title, Button Hover Fix CSS Tutorial, which describes the page. Inside the body, we add an H1 heading that says Button Hover Not Working. Below it, we include a subtitle paragraph. Then we create a button with the class btn and the text click me. Finally, we link the HTML file to style.css for the styling. Now let's style the page using CSS. First, we style the body. The background is set to a dark navy color to give the page a modern look. We use Flexbox by setting display to flex and flex direction to column so the elements stack vertically. Then we center everything using Justify Content Center and Align Item Center. We also remove the default margin and set the font family to Arial. Next, we style the main heading. The color is set to white so it stands out against the dark background. We also increase the font size and add a small margin below it. Then we style the subtitle. It uses a bright cyan color and extra margin at the bottom to create spacing before the button. After that, we style the button. We add padding for spacing, increase the font size, give it a cyan background, remove the border, and add rounded corners. The cursor is set to pointer, and we add a transition to make the animation smooth. Finally, when the button is hovered, the background changes to white and the button slightly scales up, creating a smooth hover effect. And that's how to create a smooth button hover effect using CSS. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more web development tips.